Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell notification to get the update of all my videos when I upload. In today's video, I will show you how to fix your subtitle. Do you think it's very important that you fix your subtitle? Or do you know what is a subtitle of the video? If you don't know, I will show you right now. First, I click on the channel logo. Then I click on Creator Studio. Here I have the videos. I don't have all of them, but I work on that one. I click on where it says Edit. Then you have this screen open. And on top right here, it shows Subtitles. You see the CC sign? This is subtitle. Then we click on it. As soon as you click on it, you have the subtitle screen open. Here, if you set the language of your channel or your videos, it will show right here. This one is automatically set to English. If you click that little green button, you can add other languages if your first language is not English. Since I only want to fix the subtitle, I will click on English. The reason why we want to fix the subtitle is because you want whatever you're saying in the video, you want the writing to match your word. Because there are people who don't really understand what you're saying, mostly if you have an accent like me. So most people will be reading the bottom of the screen to be able to understand what the video is really about. So to do that, we will click right here where it says Edit. Oh, let's see where it says Action. This one is a different thing. I will show you after. So let's click where it says Edit. As soon as you click Edit, as you can see, this part here was in gray. It was not showing that way before. But after I click on Edit, you will be able to fix everything in here. You see, this part right here is exactly what is right here on the screen. While you're talking, it will show right here. So if you want to see, let me show you. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, now what you have to do is you will listen to what you're saying in the video. If what you're saying match what is here, you can leave it the way it is. But if what you're saying doesn't match the writing, you will have to fix it. Let me see if I can find something right here. Let's see. New channel. Okay. So normally this is how you fix your subtitle. I will come back to this one later because I have to fix every single one of them. Okay? You see, when I click right here, it skip. You see, it goes straight to the part of the video that match this writing. So this is how you fix manually the subtitle of your video, guys. As I tell you, it is very, very important that your subtitle and what you're saying in the video match, because sometimes, like me, when I'm watching a video or a movie, most of the time I only look at the screen. I'm reading the screen, so I can understand. Mostly when you cannot hear what the person is saying, it will be important that you have a good, you can read the subtitle. It's good that the subtitle match what the person is saying. Okay guys, if you like that video, don't forget to subscribe if you didn't subscribe before, and leave me a comment. Tell me if there's something I didn't say about that subtitle, and if there's something else that you would like me to go over. And before I leave also, I want to tell you, after you fix, after you correct the subtitle, you will go up here where it says publish, and then you will click publish. All the correction, anything that you added to the subtitle will be showing up in the video. And also, if you have to do a blog about your video, this subtitle will be very helpful. You can just copy every single one of them and put them in your blog. And also, you can copy the subtitle and add it in your video description. That will help the SEO of your video, will help the search engine optimization. It will help people to find your video even faster and easier. Okay guys, see you next time. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up.